This 2024 Dutchmen Triton 4013 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.